നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും നല്ല ഓർമ്മകൾ സമ്മാനിച്ച ഒരു ബാല്യകാല വിദ്യാലയ ചിത്രം. എന്നാൽ ഇന്ന് സ്ഥിതി ഏറെ മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
What is the first we have to remember? What is a break statement? Break statement is a
4 ചുവരുകൾക്കുള്ളിലെ ക്ലാസ് മുറികളിൽ നിന്നും വിശാലമായ വേൾഡ് വൈഡ് വെബിലേക്ക് അധ്യാപകരും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും വളരെ ആശങ്കയോടെയാണ് കാലെടുത്തു വെച്ചത്. ഒട്ടേറെ വിമർശനങ്ങൾക്കിടയിലും കൊറോണ എന്ന മഹാമാരിയെ പരാജയപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വിജയം കൈവരിച്ചത് സാങ്കേതികവിദ്യയുടെ നൂതന ആശയം ഉൾക്കൊണ്ട് അവരവരുടെ വീടുകളെ ക്ലാസ് മുറികളാക്കി മാറ്റിയ കുറേയധികം അധ്യാപകരും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുമാണ്. The Next Education Private Limited has ingrained technical excellence in creating an exclusive educational platform named NLP to promote online teaching. Behind every child there are 2 strong supporting hands. One is a teacher and next one is their parents. So let's take a look at the perspectives of parents who are handling different professions and are concerned with their child's education.
My name is Paul Agustin. I am working in an IT company in Technopark. My daughter, she is studying in Holy Angels ISC School, Nandan Road. I am here to talk about the Next Education platform initiated by school. Actually, it's a very good platform. It's a very user-friendly platform. Even my child, she can use it alone without any help. And the video sent by the teachers, it's with good, excellent quality, and the clarity also, it's very good, amazing. And I appreciate the effort put by school, especially principal, Sister Pramila, and all the teaching staff who is behind this. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Hari Kumar and I am working as an orthopedic surgeon in a private hospital in Trivandrum. Both my children are studying in Holy Angels Nandangod ISC school, and it's a very good initiative and choice made by the school to choose a learning platform like NLP for online classes. The online streaming is good and the children like a lot, and thanks once again for choosing the initiative.
Hi everybody, I am Dhanush Balamron, father of Manupriya, class 10, Holy Angels ISC Nandangod. Holy Angels closed its doors to education in March this year owing to COVID-19 pandemic. Ever since, the students had been anxious about their classes, their future, and the probability of losing a year. Holy Angels set these anxieties to rest by introducing online classes through the platform Next Education, in which teachers teach live to the students, and the students can interact real time, asking questions, clarifying doubts with their own teachers in the virtual ambience of a classroom. All this thanks to the principal and the teachers of Holy Angels, who collectively rose to the occasion and delivered a fitting reply.
My daughter Dia, being a student of Holy Angels ISC School Trivandrum, got the opportunity to indulge in online classes thanks to the Next Education learning platform. It is a simple and easy to use platform which is child friendly. I am truly grateful to the school principal, management and teachers for their quick adoption to the new scenario. The efforts put in by the teachers to ensure that the students don't miss out in the pursuit of academic excellence is truly commendable. Even though this is a new medium of studies, the teachers have taken great effort to ensure that all concepts are understood by the students. This has helped me as a parent to be stress-free, knowing that my daughter is in good hands.
തിരുവനന്തപുരം നഗരസഭ ഡെപ്യൂട്ടി മേയറാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം എൻ്റെ മകൾ ഹോളി ഏഞ്ചൽസ് ISC സ്കൂളിൽ 7ാം ക്ലാസ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. അവൾക്കിപ്പോൾ ഓൺലൈൻ വഴിയാണ് ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമുക്കറിയാം, COVID-19 ഈ പ്രതിസന്ധി കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ മുഴുവൻ CBSE ICSE സിലബസിലുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്കും ഓൺലൈൻ സംവിധാനത്തിലൂടെയാണ് ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നടത്തുന്നത്. വളരെയധികം ഗുണപ്രദമായിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളാണ് ഞാൻ പലതും കണ്ടത്.
Hi, this is regarding the online classes that are going on. During this current pandemic, I think it is the ideal solution for students to attend classes through online media, because it is not a situation where students can gather together in schools, and it is not an easy thing to attend classes with a distraction when they are wearing masks and all the other restrictions like social distancing and all that, which is very difficult to accomplish with students. So taking online classes is a very good option, and at present I believe the students should make use of every opportunity that is available to them. Thank you very much.
The students are the greatest asset of a school. We have with us some students of Holy Angels ISC School to share their viewpoints.
Hi, I'm Anshika Joji of Holy Angels ISC School, Standard 7. I was so worried that I was not able to attend my school classes due to this COVID-19. I was unable to interact with my teachers and see my friends. But to my surprise, my school has organized online classes with the help of Next Learning platform. I can learn and interact with my friends and teachers. I feel like I'm in my school now. I'm getting homeworks and I can attend assessment tests. Thank you, Holy Angels, and I love NLP.
My school and the Next Learning platform together made us safe at home. Thank you, principal and teachers. I love NLP.
Thank you, principal, teachers, and NLP for keeping us safe at home. I love NLP.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Sharma of 5D studying in Holy Angels ICC School, Nandangod, Trivandrum. We are facing a tough time due to this COVID-19 pandemic. I was so worried that I couldn't attend my regular classes due to this pandemic. But not anymore. Our school management has started online classes with the help of Next NLP platform. There are both recorded videos and live lectures in this platform. There are many educational videos also.
Hello, I'm Niranjana of Holy Angels ISC. As we all know, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we have not been able to go to school and hence have missed out on an important educational experience. However, at Holy Angels ISC, due to the Next Education platform, we are able to access a full classroom experience. We're able to interact with our teachers to the fullest and we're able to clear all our doubts. We're grateful to our principal and to Next Education for helping our students even in the midst of this crisis. We love Next Day.
Samvrida of Holy Angels ISC School is now in UK and was bothered about her studies.
I could travel to UK and master.
Now she is happy that NLP is her study buddy.
I was tensed and scared of the uncertainty of traveling back to India and missing out on my school. To my relief, my school addressed all those concerns and commenced online classes with Next NLP, a versatile interactive digital platform. From here, I can attend my classes online and interact with my teachers and classmates. Keeping the time difference between the two countries in perspective, it also provides and ensures an option to access all the lectures at any time. With Next NLP, I'm able to keep a precise track of work to do, homework, and can submit tests and assessments online. I'm so grateful to the principal, the management, and my teachers of Holy Angels for gifting us Next NLP. Thank you, Next NLP, for bringing my school home and keeping us safe.
Teaching is not a service, profession, or a job. It is the pillar of the society. While we were relaxing at home during this pandemic, teachers were busy in knitting the future of students by mastering in digital technologies. We have such a group of passionate teachers who are determined to overcome this crisis. So let us lend our ears to them.
Hi everyone, I am Swapna, physics teacher, Holy Angels ISC School, Nandangod. As we all know, we are going through an unexpected situation due to COVID-19 pandemic. It has shook the entire world, especially our education system. So by providing adequate learning materials comprehensible to all, we have online teaching learning platform. Our school, with the help of our learning partner Next Education, helps students with a continuous learning platform. The live lecture classes help students to interact with teachers just like a physical class. The students can also access the recorded videos of online classes and the subject resources would be available at any time. For technical support, NLP is providing us with a support person and the students can contact the WhatsApp support number if they have any queries. I am extending my sincere thanks to our principal, Sister Pramila, our management, and our learning partner, Next Education, for providing us with such a wonderful platform. Thank you.
It's indeed a privilege to use the Next Learning platform for our online classes. Our fears and doubts were removed in the first week itself by the supporting team who are always ready to help us. The periodic updates help us to use resources easily. Video recordings help children to revise and learn at leisure. Thanks to the Next Learning Platform team.
As COVID-19 pandemic has hit the world badly, the education system was facing a turmoil. But the show must go on, which made us depend on the technology. Hence, our school made use of the online learning platform with Next Education collaborators. This platform offers us with a hand raise option, which make the sessions interactive, and we are provided pop-up quiz and study materials for all the subjects. This is an Indian startup of which we are very proud of. Thank you Next Education collaborators for their great support.
Hi everyone, I'm Jaya, Maths teacher at Holy Angels ISC School, Nandangod. In this time of a pandemic, we have been able to continue teaching. All thanks to our principal, Sister Pramila, and the Next Learning Platform. NLP is an Indian app that helps conduct and avail classes through our smartphones or laptops. We have been able to track attendance, interact with students effectively, and even conduct exams. Thanks to the school management and the NLP team for making this possible. Thank you.
Holy Angels ISC School Nandangod, Trivandrum seems busy gearing up to schedule online examinations to ensure academic excellence. With much concerns, the school principal, Reverend Sister Pramila, and the management took initiative to start online classes for grade 10 on May 5 by associating with Next Education India Private Limited. But it proved to be a heroic step towards a new educational revolution. The year is also special as the school has rolled out its red carpet for the Golden Jubilee celebrations, which will speak volumes for the glory in which the school lies submerged. COVID-19 എന്ന വൈറസിനെ അതിജീവിച്ച് നാം മുന്നേറുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മേഖലയ്ക്ക് ഓൺലൈൻ പഠനം മറ്റൊരു ചരിത്ര നേട്ടം ആകട്ടെ.